Hello guys, now let us discuss question 148. The question is, which of the following molecules represent the order of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp and sp from left to right atoms? So the options are 1 CH3, CH, CH and CH3. Second option is CH2, CH, CH and Ca2. Third option is CH2, CH, C, CH and fourth is HC, C, C, CH. So here the correct answer is option 3 because if we take, first of all, as we know, to find hybridization there is a journal easy way to find it, that is H is equal to number of sigma bond plus lone pair of electron. Now if H would be equal to 4, it will hybridization would be sp3, and if it would be equal to 3, hybridization would be sp2, and if it would be equal to 2, then hybridization is sp. So now taking the first case, it has 3 plus 1, 4 bounds, so H is equal to 4, so its form is sp3, hence it doesn't matches with our hybridization order, so this is wrong. For the second case, it has 2 plus 1, that is 3. H is equal to 3, here H is equal to 4, and here H is equal to 3, H is equal to 3, and therefore it is sp2. Now comes to CH. CH is formed 1 with H, 1 with CH2, and a 3, 3. So H is equal to 3, so again it's sp2, so it is right. For this, it is following our hybridization order. Now let us check for SCH. CH is from 1 with H and 1 with CH2 and 1 with CH. So H is equal to 3. So again it's sp2, but it doesn't follow our order. So this is not the correct option because we want sp in the third. Now come to third option. The third option is CH2, 2 with H and 1 with CH, so H is equal to 3, which means sp2. Now come to CH, it's 1 with H and 1 with C and 1 with CH2. Now H is equal to 3, hence sp2. Now C, it's from 1 with CH and other two are pi, 1 sigma bond and 1 with CH. So H is equal to 2, hence sp. Now for CH, it's formed 1 with H and 1 with CH. H is equal to 2, which means sp. So the third option follows the order which is given in the question, hence the correct option is third. Okay, so